Bitcoin wallet sign up, how to create account on Bitcoin app. So if you want to create an account on Bitcoin app or maybe sign up for a new account, it's relatively quite simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the bitcoin.com wallet application and go to the settings option from the bottom right and go to the sign in option. Now when you're on the sign in option, obviously if you happen to have and already enter your email and login, you can go ahead and enter that. But if not, then you can simply enter the email address under which you would like to create your account with. Then once you've entered the email address, you can simply hit this arrow button here, and obviously it will send your email to here. So all you have to do is make sure to go ahead and then basically verify the email. So come here and then just you can say login over here, or otherwise you'll also see the sign up request. So once done, you can tap on login, and once you've authorized it, you can see you'll be successfully logged into your Bitcoin wallet app. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.